Welcome to the Trinium Wars basic gameplay tutorial. My name is Big Pun, and I'm here to show you how to get started in Trinium Wars. Let's jump right in. The player station and crafting. Crafting is a big part of Trinium Wars, and you'll be able to craft your own armor, your own weapons, and even your own skills. To reach the station, you will click on the station icon in the bottom right of your screen. There are a few things that should be noted in the station. The first is your energy bar in the top left. Energy is required to produce new buildings and to upgrade existing buildings. If this blue portion is all the way over here to the right, it means that you're out of energy and that you need to either create another trinium reactor or upgrade the one that you already have. To create a building in the station, click on the trinium reactor. Then click the gear icon that says building, and then pick from the list of buildings that are available within the station. I'll start out with the weapon factory because the weapons factory will produce weapons for all three different classes in the same building. To place the factory, go ahead and click on the icon and then pick an empty slot. You can choose whichever you'd like. I'll simply place mine right here. And then you click on that flag, press OK, and then we wait for it to build. And now our building is complete. So let's take a look at the weapons factory and let's build something. Go ahead and click on it and then click the production icon below. It shows what kind of materials you need in order to craft the item right beside the item's name. And in this case, we need alloy wrought iron to produce one of the resistance fighter swords. If you do not have the required items, the icons will be in red as you see here. And you also need trinium in order to craft anything in the station. But I don't have enough trinium here, so let me go find some. And now I have enough trinium, as you can see, with the numbers being white instead of red. You can choose how many you want to craft at one time by clicking the plus or minus symbol, and then click craft. All items in the crafting queue will go over here, and when this item is done, it will be placed in our production warehouse. The production warehouse acts like any other building. You click on it and then click the gear icon just below. And now I have a persistent resistance fighter, level 1, and it shows you all the information that you need to know about this particular weapon. In order to place it in our inventory, we will click on it and then click the inventory button. That will drop it directly into our inventory, and there it is. And at this point, I can go ahead and equip that because it's better than the one that I have, and then we can start the process all over again. The reprocess facility is the building that you will use to turn one material into another. In this case, we can use 10 of the red or mu trinium to create one alloy wrought iron. So let's go ahead and do that now by hitting the craft button. As you can see up here, my red trinium has dropped by 10, and if I go to the production warehouse, I have one alloy wrought iron inside, and I can then place it into the inventory by clicking on it and then clicking inventory. And that concludes the player station and crafting portion of this tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching the Trinium Wars basic gameplay tutorial. My name is Big Pun, and until next time, we'll see you in the game.